Number 26. And I apologize if you hear weird music. It sounds like a disco in my house right now, but please just ignore that. If you can hear it, I am sorry. Danvers is 8 miles due south of Carson. So let's make Carson be right here. Danvers is south of that, and I'm going to go ahead and draw the road in there and give it a label. So that segment is 8 miles due south of Carson. And 6 miles due west of Baines. So Baines is over here, and this is 6 miles. I'm not to scale, I know that. Please bear with me. West of Baines. If a driver could drive in a straight line, okay, so here's a right angle, and they're talking about straight lines. That's a right triangle with a straight line. I know that that straight line is called the hypotenuse. And remember, Pythagoras told us that the straight line is always the closest distance. If the driver could drive in a straight line from Carson to Baines, so make sure you're going from C to B, what would that trip be? So we need to find the hypotenuse of a right triangle. That is Pythagorean theorem. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And we know that hypotenuse is the c. It has to be. So we don't know c. But we know the legs, 8 and 6, and it doesn't matter how you put them in here. You can use either one of them as a because you're adding those numbers. So 8 eighths are 64, 6 sixes are 36, and those together are c squared. Well, 64 plus 36 is 100. Well, it's not 100 miles. That wouldn't make sense. That's c squared. So we need to take the square root of both sides to get 10. If someone is driving, draw the picture, and it will help you.